Hi, in this video, I will show you how to edit your class schedule using the new APU Home interface. Editing your schedule involves 3 different features in APU Home: Edit Enrollment, Swap Classes, and Drop Classes. First, let's take a look at Edit Enrollment. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Enrollment dropdown, and then select Edit Enrollment. This feature allows you to make certain changes to a class you're already enrolled in. The most common changes are to adjust the number of units you're taking for a variable unit class, or to change your choice of lab or discussion for courses that have multiple options available. For example, I can quickly adjust my units for Music 111 by clicking on Edit and then changing the number in this drop-down menu. Similarly, I can edit Biology 101 and select a different lab with just a few different clicks. Next, let's take a look at Swap Classes, which is under the same enrollment section in the side menu. On this page, you will see every class that you are currently enrolled in, with the option to swap one for some other class that you are not enrolled in. This process of swapping a class is the same as dropping one and then enrolling in a different class afterward, except it saves you the step of having to drop the old class first. When you click on Swap this class, notice that there are a number of ways to select your new class to enroll in. For example, I can swap Business 100 with a class from my planner such as Business 110. Click on Swap next to the section you want to enroll in, and if you have a permission number or if a waitlist is required, go ahead and select those options before continuing. Review your changes and click Confirm to finish swapping the 2 classes. Finally, let's take a look at Drop Classes. Just like when swapping classes, all of your enrolled classes will be listed on this page. To drop a class, click on the checkbox to the right of the class and then click the Drop button on top of the page. Click Drop one more time, and now that class has been removed from your schedule.